Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a swap zine refill. And I got this from Katherine Benjamin, and I hadn't been to my PO to go pick it up. So I've had it for a couple of weeks and then realized I totally forgot to go get it. So sorry about that, Katherine. But I finally went, and I'm glad I checked. This is what she sent me, Life is a Venture, and I'm going to put her link below to her website so you can check her out. And she got a Gonzalo, oh my God. I can't say the word, Gonza bag. Oh my gosh. You know what I'm saying. Some doilies. And this is her zine. And I loved it because she talked about art in the zine. And you can see all the different types of art. This is Discovering Art. Collage. Stamping. The different types of things that you can do. Mixed media. Stenciling. And even use this on your zine. Whimsical coloring. And it says her handmade stamp or her name for April collab, the crazy collab with I Tell Them Thank You. Is what this is for, and to believe. So this is such a beautiful zine, and this is also just inspiring because it reminds you of some of the things that we can try as paper crafters that we can do. So we've been swapping each month. It's been pretty cool, and adding to my collection. So thank you so much, Katherine, and check out her channel below. And you guys have a wonderful day, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.